have a restock shipment from Doodlebug. This is the Made with Love series. Kind of came out for Valentine's Day a year or so ago, but it has a lot more to do with baking and cooking and super, super fun. So let's look at what all we have here. Let's do sprinkles. Got some bitsy chips, like your little chocolate chips, the white and the semi-sweet. These are like an epoxy enamel 3D sticker. And here's the Bake Me Happy cookies in the same type of sticker. Doodle Pops. This one here is a baby cake, a little cupcake. Here is icing on the cake. It's hard to find a lot of good baking stickers, and this whole line is full of them. Mixed with Love. Sprinkle Shop. Bake Me Happy. Look at those little eggs. So cute. What's Kickin'? Alright, so... Oh, I did have one Doodle Pop, but this one's from Lots of Love. It is Sending Love. Cute little mailbox. Now let's do some die cuts. This is the odds and ends. And look how big, 161 pieces in this set. Look at all those. And they're not little bitty pieces. Look how big some of the pieces are. I mean, you do have a few little pieces in there, but this is a nice set. Wonderful to have. And then the Chit Chat, get 92 pieces in this set. And again, look at all those. I love the little banners, and the words are beautiful. Accents, you got some little postage here, and amazing. I love them. Okay, let's do stickers. This here is the mini icon stickers. You get 2 sheets of stickers, and they're different stickers, different sheets. So this is the first sheet. And here, oh, I guess here shows both sheets. These are always very popular. They usually sell out. One of the fastest sellouts in the line. So get those. This here is the cardstock icon sticker sheet. The 12-inch tall sticker sheet. Very fun. Love, love, love. Okay. Let's go ahead and do the stamps and dies. They're here. This one is You Bake Me Happy. You can buy the stamps and dies individually, or you can get both. Definitely get both. Look at all those. You'll be using these for a long time. When we make sprinkles, toppings for all your cupcakes. Love it. And here is the Made with Love stamps and dies. Nice baking basics. Here is the 6x6 paper pad. 24 papers. I think that's 2 of each design. And these designs are shrunk down. Kind of hard to see in there, but they're shrunk down. So they're not just the large size images on a smaller paper. Dies for card making. So here's the papers that were restocked. This is cake platter because here's the front side, your nice cut aparts. These make great card fronts. And the back side is the plaid. Why it says platter. Okay. There. Apron strings. So this is the floral print on the one side. And you get beautiful coordinating stripe. Flour and sugar. This is your border paper. These make great. I cut these apart too and use them as accents. And the back side is a larger floral print. treat tags. Okay, this is actually the back side. All those wonderful tag tops. And you can cut these out to put your own sentiments or whatever on there. Or use the front. Got all those pre-did designs. Make adorable tags for any little handmade food gift that you're giving. Sugar sprinkles, polka dots. Got more cut aparts on the front. Use these to look at that one, even a recipe card. But you can use these to make for a little notepad or put notes on. Use them as journaling on your scrapbook pages. This is the 12 by I have more stick papers. They're hiding. All right. This is cinnamon hearts. See in there? They're tonal little hearts on the red on red summit. And then the other side is that adorable mixer. The coordinating colors. This one is Heart Warmer. It has Love You in the tonal pink on pink. And this beautiful heart pattern. Even some of the hearts have words in them. Okay, here is their 12 by 12. This and that sticker sheet. Orders, words, and then we've got the 12 by 12 petite print assortment that matches this color line of this particular collection. I love these. Really love these petite prints. And then we also got some more of the petite prints in the Lots of Love colors. These basic patterns are just amazing to have in your collection. Use even with other projects that you're making with different lines. Look at all this stuff. Restock, made with love and some of the Lots of Love from Doodlebug Designs. Check them out, countrycroppers.com. Thank you.